offer, but
there we go. Oh, can you hear me? That was super quick. I'm super impressed. Super impressed. Mr. Reynolds, do you want to say anything or do you just want me to go?
Oh, you can go.
Just go.
Tammy.
Just go. Okay, so I'm super excited for this assembly. It's one of my favorite things to do. So the first thing I want to share with you was a postcard that I got. Who's it from? This is what he says. Hello and greetings from Sweden, where I'm enjoying some skiing and kladdkaka. What is that? Does anybody see the chocolate cake? I miss you all very much and think about you often. Miss Walter will tell you all about your new book. I hope you like it. Wasn't that nice and free? Okay, so are you ready? Has anybody heard the secret yet? Some of the schools heard the secret yesterday, so the secret got out. The secret got out. So here you go. Here it comes. Okay. Maybe it comes. There you go. It is called Charlie Bumpers versus the Teacher of the Year. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So here's a little bit. We're going to introduce you a little bit to Charlie so you can get to know him a little bit. I think some of you are really going to relate to him and some of you are going to cheer for him. So here it goes. We're going to read Charlie Bumpers every night with your parents or guardians or family. And you're going to get a bookmark in your book that helps you know what you're supposed to read. This year we're doing a couple chapters a night on some of the nights because the chapters are short. And we wanted the book to fit into a certain amount of time. Okay? If you don't happen to have somebody that will read with you at home, we made videos again. So those of you that like to watch the videos, the journalism kids have been working really hard on that. And I'll show you where to find those. The next day, when you come into school, there are going to be 10 clues hidden around the school, like a scavenger hunt. It's one picture, but there's going to be 10. So you can look and see if you can find all 10. Some days there's going to be 2 different pictures because we had 2 important things that happened in our reading. So on those days, there's going to be 20 pictures hidden. Then you need to be ready to answer a trivia question. It's going to be read at the end of the day just before everybody leaves. And your teachers are going to have prizes that they can give out to the kids who can answer the question correctly. Okay, so you got to be ready if you want to get a prize to be able to answer the question. Most importantly, you need to stay out of the red chair or the orange chair. You don't want to be in the orange chair. And have fun reading. Okay, this is where you can find the videos. It's on YouTube at the EMHS Squire page, but I'll tell your parents that. So you don't need to worry about that, except the older kids are probably going to be able to find it themselves. So if you're looking for the videos, you're going to find them at the EMHS Squire YouTube channel. Do you know? Do you remember from last year? Okay, my big kids, we're ready. Are you ready?
We're ready.
The best part is everybody gets a book. And here they are.
Everybody else put your hand down. If you do not have a bookmark, raise your hand.